It's the dawn of a new era. A different way of thinking, a new way of working, a time for change. Pentair supplies smart, sustainable solutions for companies with smart and sustainable ambitions. Globally, our biogas upgrading solutions have helped municipal treatment facilities, industrial applications, food processing companies, and farmers to lower their carbon footprint and reuse natural resources. All while building sound and sustainable practices. And we are here for you to help you overcome energy market volatility by turning your biogas into grid-ready biomethane, sellable transport fuels, and versatile bio-CO2. All delivered with dependable equipment uptime. As an experienced partner, to help you build an effective business case for your long-term decarbonization project, and as a reliable long-term companion, offering you the customized service and support you expect. Let's work together to tackle your carbon emissions target. Insist on Pentair Biogas Upgrading Solutions.